Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi. Okay, welcome back. Okay, today is our we do another live streaming using YouTube Live. Okay, powered by StreamYard. Okay, so today we will discuss topic accounting for cash for bank reconciliation, that is revision. That's mean we use question from previous years of PSPM. Okay. So now I'm waiting for our pembaca doa. Encik Imran is not come yet. Okay, actually we are 19 of us in our class. So how many of us now? Okay, now I will introduce you my assistant. Okay, Cik Kristina. Wait. Okay, Cik Kristina. Okay, Izzatul Ifah and also Aida. Yeah, Aida Zulaika. And I'm waiting for Encik Imran. Okay, he's still not coming yet. Okay, where is he? Okay. Okay. Anyhow, I want my students say hi in the comment so that my assistant will write attendance. Ya. So awak cuba tengok. Okay. Siapa yang tulis hi ke apa ke, please write their name as an attendance. Okay. We wait for a few seconds. Okay, there. Ifdina, Assalam Madam. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, siapa lagi? Okay, I want to see how many of us now. Okay, there are 9 watching now. So that's mean another 10. Ya, tak tahu pergi mana. Okay, anyway, kita nak start dah. Okay, there ada. Yes.
Imran kata dia tak boleh masuk. Dia tak dapat masuk.
Oh, ya ke? Kenapa
Tak tahu lah.
Oh, tak apa, try je. Imran try aja klik Okay, kalau ada nanti kita masukkan dia. Okay, anyway, dah ada kawan-kawan yang masuk ni. Wen Chin Chiu. I think ini ada student dari mana Okay, welcome to our channel. Okay, Marina dah ada, Zati, Balkish, Amirta. Amirta dah recovered Okay, very good. Afi dah ada, Camelia, Faiz, Anwari, Hussein. Okay, morning. Good morning. Okay, so oleh kerana Imran tak masuk lagi, so kita baca doa sendirilah Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Siapa nak baca? Aida ada senyum. Okay, Aida baca.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir ya karim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir ya karim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir ya karim. Sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad an-nabi ummi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Okay, amin. Okay, hi. Okay, dah nampak banyak dah. Saya baca hi madam, morning madam. Okay, so hi So I think we should continue now our revision for PSPM question. Okay, I just pick only 4 question that is in our books. Okay, so use that question first. Okay, The rest, kalau ada lagi, I will share with you later on. Okay. Wait, I'll stop. Okay, I start sharing with you. Okay, boleh nampak tak? Boleh Okay, saya try besarkan sikit. Okay. Now we start our class with a revision of topic 6, that is accounting for cash. And I will focus on bank reconciliation. Okay, before we start, I would like to revise steps in the preparation of bank reconciliation. Okay, for step 1, prepare the opening balances in the cash book. Bukan prepare, compare the opening balances in the cash book and in the bank statement. If there is any difference, that means you have to find out maybe the previous check has been put in the current bank statement. So you have to cut it. Okay, and the second step, compare debit item in cash book with credit item in bank statement. Step 3, you compare credit item in cash book with debit item in bank statement. That's mean for step 2 and step 3, if the item is same, so you just slash or cut it. Okay? Okay, and then for step 4, determine whether there are errors in the cash book and the bank statement. Sometimes the error, they will state in the additional information. If not, you have to find out yourself by seeing the check numbers. Okay, check numbers and also the amounts. If the check numbers is same but the amount is not same, that means there are errors. So you have to find out which is correct, whether in bank statement or whether in cash book. But normally the correct is in the bank statement. Okay, and then step 5, take all unmarked amounts. That means just now for step 1, 2, 3, 4, you have slash slash. So you highlight or you circle the amount that has not been marked. Okay. And then for step 6, you can set up bank reconciliation and adjustment journal entry. Okay, so that is the steps in the preparation of bank statement. Okay, now we'll look at the question PSPM 2013-2014. This question is in your book. Okay. If another college, if you don't have the question, you can get from your lecturers. Okay, for PSPM 2013-2014, below are the bank statement of Ahmad Kasas and Berhad for the months of August 2013. Okay. Okay, wait. Ifah tak nampak ya. So, saya take out the banners first tu muka Ifah dah nampak dah. Okay. Okay, so I continue. Okay, this is the question. Okay, just take a look at the question. And then the cash book also given of Ahmad Kasas and Berhad for the months of August 2013. Okay. And then look at the additional information. All the information recorded by the bank are correct. Okay. You can highlight this. On 31st July 2013, Ahmad Kasas and Berhad has 3 checks worth 7,250 which was released in July 2013 but not paid by the bank. So, this is the step 1. Okay, this is the step 1 you have to find out. Okay, there are 3 checks, so you have to find out. Okay, later on we will find out which check. Okay, and then additional number 3, quotation by the bank to the notes receivable plus interest of 140. So you highlight the points. Okay, now required, prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Ahmad Kasar Syam Berhad as at 31st August 2013. And then secondly, prepare journal adjustment on August 31st, 2013. Okay, now we start comparing. The step 1 is we compare the balance. Okay, you look at the balance of cash book. Yeah, the opening balance in 17,750. While the balance in the bank statement is 25,000. So that means that is a check that you have to find out. Okay, in the additional information stated that there are 3 checks. So what you have to do is, firstly, you go to cash book and see the first check that has been released. That is 155450. Okay, this is the check. Okay, this is the first check in August 2013. That means the check number that is before 155450 must not include in the bank reconciliation for the month of August 2013. So now we have to find out. Okay, remember 155450. So that's mean you look at the bank statement. Okay, that is the check 155449. That is before 155450, right? So 450449. Okay. So this one you slash. Okay, you slash the amount. Okay, and then there are 3 checks, right? Okay, this is another one, 155448. So you slash this one. Okay, and there is another one on 3rd August 155447. Okay, you slash. Okay, there are 3 checks mentioned in the additional information. Okay, and then the amount of the previous is 7250. So you can calculate 150 plus 750 plus 6350 equals to 7,250. So this is the check that have been mentioned in the additional information. Okay, so that is the first step. Okay, finish. So the second step is we compare. Okay, if you compare the debit item in bank statement, then compare with the credit item in cash book. Okay, so let's say we compare the item. Okay, we compare the item debit in the bank statement. 1,500 8050. Okay, look at here. Okay, ada kan? So you slash the amount. Okay, slash the amount here also. Okay, cari lagi. Okay, there is a 8050, 650, 750. Okay, tengok ada tak? 8050 ada. So we slash. Okay, slash. Okay, 650. Okay, slash. Okay, can you see in the screen? Can, ya? So tiny. Okay, never mind. Um, okay. Okay, we continue. 700. Okay, got here. So slash the 700 slash also here 700. Okay, bank charges 50. Tak ada. Okay, so don't slash. Okay, the last one is 1000. Okay, got. So slash. Okay. Okay, then you highlight which is not been slash. Okay, you highlight. So then you can see. Okay, if not you circle the amount. Okay, because highlighter cannot be bawa in the exam hall. Kan? Okay, so circle. I just highlight. So this amount. Okay, tak ada in bank statement. Okay, now we compare the credit side of bank statement with debit side of cash book. Okay, now 6,000, 8,000, 9,000. Okay, all got here. Yeah. Okay, so slash. This one also slash. Okay, next is 5,500 and 4,150. Okay, 5,500. Yes. So slash. Okay, slash here also. Okay, so this one tak ada in the cash book, so you highlight. Okay, this one also highlight just now sebab tak ada. Okay. Okay, mana lagi? Okay, now you highlight this one. Yeah, Sarima. Okay, 6,600. Okay. Alright, that's all. Okay, now okay, so please take note that all the information recorded by the bank are correct. Okay, so the bank is correct. Okay, and this one. Okay, now we prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Ahmad Kasa. Okay, first of all, write a title. Ahmad Kasa Syam Berhad Bank Reconciliation Statement as at 31st August 2013. We start with bank statement. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay. Balance as per bank statement is 30,400. Where did you get it? Okay, from the bank statement. This is the balance, yeah? The closing balance. Okay. And then okay. So in the bank statement, you have to insert whatever that you highlight just now. Okay. Let's mean ada dalam cash book but not in the bank statement. Okay, the item is 6,600. This one is cash book is debit, right? So must plus, okay, or add. And then for 1,300 purchase and salary 1,360, this one is credit. That means you have to less. Okay. So in the bank reconciliation, okay. So add deposit in transit 6,600. Okay, why? Because in the cash book, we have received the check or cash, the check 6,600, but in the bank statement, there is no figure of 6,600. That means we have deposit in our cash book, but in the bank statement, not yet. So that is called deposit in transit. Okay, and for the purchase and the salary just now, we have already minus our cash book. That means we have given a check for purchase and also for salary. But in the bank statement, there are no figure of 1,300 and 1,360. That means these two checks is unpresented check. Maksudnya, kita dah keluarkan cek untuk purchase and also salary, tapi dekat bank statement tiada. That means cek tersebut belum dikemukakan oleh orang yang kita bagi cek tadi kepada bank. That's why in the bank statement there is no check for these two items. Okay. So you have to less. Okay, and then the total that you minus is 2,660. Okay, so we start from the balance as per bank statement, 30,400. Add deposit in transit, 6,600 is 37,000. Less unpresented check, 2,660. Then you have adjusted bank balance, 34,340. Okay, so we finish for the bank statement. Now we look at the cash book. Okay, so at the cash book, just now, okay, all we write or record in the cash book, but the item is not in the bank statement is, okay, collection of notes receivable, 4,150. This one is at the credit side of bank statement. That means ada duit masuk. Okay. And then at the debit side is 50. That is bank charges. That means ada duit keluar. So, yeah. Ada
Dina tanya, unpresented sama dengan outstanding ke madam?
sama. Okay. Okay, Irdina tanya unpresented sama dengan outstanding ke madam? Sama. Ya, kita pakai outstanding sama juga dengan unpresented check. Ya. Betul tak? Betul kan? Okay, so dia ada two items ya. Okay. Apa ni Muhammad Firdaus tanya? Sekejap. PSPM on paper. Apa maksud dia ni? Oh, PSPM nanti ke? Oh, PSPM akan datang ni. Awak punya PSPM. Okay, that one tak tahu lagi. But soalan dah ada, dah sampai. And meja pun sedang disusun dekat college. For your information. Okay, macam PSPM on paper. However, kita tak pasti lagi. I cannot say anything. Manalah tahu online. But I hope that on paper. So doa-doa je lah. For your information, diorang tengah susun meja sekarang ni dekat college. Meja untuk awal exam. Tu dia. Soalan dah sampai lama dah. Ada dekat bilik kebal. Okay, Firdaus?
Madam, dekat private chat Imran tanya kenapa dia tak dapat masuk.
Oh, ya ke? Okay, saya dah nampak ada Imran. Okay, tu dia. Okay, Imran. Okay, nanti Imran baca doa penutup je lah ya. Sebab kita dah start tadi. Aida dah baca doa awal Okay. Sorry saya tak nampak. Sebaik awak interrupt. Okay, good. Okay, now kita continue our class. Okay, so dekat mana tadi? Okay, okay, there is some amount that is in the bank statement but not in the cash book. Okay, so the amount is for collection of notes receivable. Okay, duit masuk, and the bank charges, duit keluar. So in the bank reconciliation, okay, so balance as per cash book is 29,790. So where did you get the figure is here, the closing balance in the cash book. Okay, so highlight it. Okay, so you write 29,790 and then add the notes receivable just now, that is 4,150, right? But at the additional information, it has stated that the notes receivable plus interest 150. So you know that the interest is 150. So you have to segregate, you have to separate it. Okay, so the notes receivable is only 4,000 and the interest of notes receivable is 150. Okay, the other one is, we have purchase error here. Okay, 8,500 and 8,050. Okay, just now saya tak nampak lah tu. Okay, here Zainuddin. Okay, so that's mean you highlight because the check number is 155,453 is 8,050 in the cash book. Okay, but in the 453 sama? Oh,
51.
451. Okay, sorry. Okay, so kita slash balik. Okay, so yang problem is at the check number of 155,451. Okay, so in the cash book, it stated 8,500. But in the bank statement, 451 is 8,050. Okay, so as stated in the additional information, whatever figure in bank statement is correct. So the 8,050 is correct. Okay, and the 8,500 is wrong. So nak tolak ke nak campur? Okay, so macam mana kita nak faham? Okay, now the 8,500 is we withdraw. Kita dah tolak, kita dah keluarkan cek 8,500. But the correct figure is 8,050. That means kita dah terlebih tolak. Bila kita dah terlebih tolak, we have to add back. That's why in the bank reconciliation, we have to add 450. Okay, boleh faham tak yang ni? Ada sesiapa nak tanya tak pasal error? Okay. Okay, so I repeat. Okay. In the cash book is wrong. In the bank statement is correct. In the cash book is 8,500. In the bank statement is 8,050. That means kita dah terlebih tolak 450. So that's why kita kena add balik in the cash book 450. Okay. So the total for additional is 4,600 plus with the balance as per cash book to 29,790. So the total now is 34,390. Okay. So less. Okay, we have $50 just now. That is for bank charges. So we have to minus 50. So the adjusted book balance is 34,350. So, the adjusted bank balance and the adjusted book balance is the cash book balance. Okay, kalau nak tulis cash book pun is better. Is must be same, that is 34,350. Okay, so settle for bank reconciliation. Is there any question so far? Tu Hussein kata mantap Imran. Imran dah masuk. Okay. Is there any question? Okay, boleh. Dia kata boleh. Alright. So we continue with the journal entry. Okay, so in journal entry, okay, the item that in the journal entry must be item in the cash book only. Okay, that is this figure, 4,000. Okay, 150, that is the interest, and also the bank charges. Okay, kenapa kita ambil kita buat journal entry for cash book only but not for bank statement? Saya dah tanyakan dalam kelas, because okay, cash book is our concern. Bank statement biarlah orang yang kerja bank tu buat adjustment. Okay, so okay, add the cash book. If add means you must debit bank. If less means you must credit bank. Okay, so we look at the journal entry. So on August 31st, okay, bank is 4,050 debit and credit is notes receivable 4,000 and credit interest expenses 150. Okay, here I want you to add expenses here. Or you can write interest expenses pun dah okay. 150. In this case, you have to separate the notes receivable and the interest expenses. Okay, next one is the error just now. So debit bank, credit purchase. You cannot write credit error. That is wrong. So the transaction is purchase. So credit purchase 450. Okay, and then the narration you can write to record error. Okay, in payment of purchase. But for credit, you cannot write error. You have to write purchase credit. Okay, the next one is less. Less means you have to credit bank 50 and debit bank charges expenses is 50 ringgit. Okay, the narration is to record bank charges. Okay, that's all for journal entries. Okay, so is there any questions so far? To record bank charges. Okay, tak ada Okay, so we continue to next question, that is PSPM 4014-4015. Okay, below are the bank statement of Seri Bulan Syariah Berhad for the months of May 2014. Okay, so you follow the step 1 until step 6. Step 5, you follow the step 1 until step 5. So now I have summarized. So I have highlighted, okay, the amount that have not been marked or not have been slashed. Okay, so I believe that you have did your homework. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, so 103, 856 is the closing balance, for bank. Okay, and then it has given the cash book also of Seri Bulan Syariah Berhad. Okay, I have summarized. So the highlighted has not been slashed. Okay, so this highlighted, you have to put in the bank reconciliation. Okay, and the additional information, all the information recorded by the bank are correct. Okay, so bank statement yang betul dekat cash book, okay, yang ada sedikit typo. Okay, so which one is the typo? Okay, now, okay, you see at the bank statement for check number 345684, the amount is 900 debit. Debit means ada duit keluar. Okay, and at the cash book for the check number, the same check number 345684 is 9,000. Tengok. So which one is the correct one? The correct one is the 900. That means, okay, in the cash book is the at the credit side. That means awak dah keluarkan duit sebanyak 9,000. Okay, actually dia nak berapa? 900 only, right? So awak telah terlebih tolak. If you have terlebih tolak, so you have to add back. Yeah. Okay, so ada any errors? Okay, I think that's one error only. Okay, the rest is macam biasa. Okay, now we look at the answer. Okay, first write a title, Seri Bulan Syam Berhad Bank Reconciliation Statement as at 31st May 2014. Okay, so we start with the bank statement. Balance as per bank statement is 103,856. I have highlighted just now. Add deposit in transit. Okay, that is check number 993399, that is 320. And check number 421877, that is 2,000. So the total addition is 2,320. So the total now is 106,176. Okay, and then you minus or less unpresented check or outstanding. Outstanding check. Okay. So the check number is 435680, 5,700 and 654,683. That is 1,600. So the total minus is 7,600. And you got the adjusted bank balance is 98,876. Okay, now we look at the answer of balance per cash book is 93,764. Add error. Error just now we have discussed, alright? Kenapa kita add? Because kita dah terlebih tolak dekat cash book. So we have to add back. Kita kena tambah balik yang dah terlebih tolak. That is 8,100. So the calculation is like this. Okay? Okay. And then last, just now we highlight 100. Okay, that is the bank charges. And we have another error. That is check number 345688. Okay, now kita tengok what is the problem. Okay. Saya ada highlight tak? Oh. Berapa tadi amount? 144. Okay. Check number is 345688. Okay, this one. Yeah. Kenapa? Okay. So, if you can see that, in the cash book is ada duit masuk 1,444. Okay. Now kita tengok dekat bank statement. Okay. In the bank statement, for the same check number, okay. Saya highlight warna lain. Okay. Is at the debit side in the bank statement? If the debit side, that means in the bank statement means ada duit keluar. Okay, so which one is the correct one? The correct one is in the bank statement. That means kita bayar 1,444. Okay, kita keluarkan duit. But in the cash book, kita masukkan dia dekat sebelah debit. Means ada duit masuk. So, at the cash book is wrong. So, macam mana awak nak buat calculation? First is in the cash book, we have debit 1,444. That means kita dah masukkan 1,444. Which is that one is for duit keluar. So, firstly, awak keluarkan dulu first time 1,444 and then awak tolakkan pula 1,444. So, maksudnya ada 2 kali tolak. Betul tak? Okay, I repeat. Okay, in the cash book is wrong. Sebab dekat cash book, dia masukkan sebanyak 1,444. Di mana, actually, dia kena berada di sebelah kredit. Duit keluar. So, apa tindakan, what action you have to do is, okay, first kali, awak keluarkan dulu 1,444. Okay, so dah jadi kosong. And then dia kena tolak kan. So awak tolak lagi sekali sebab kita nak letakkan dia dekat sebelah kredit 1,444. That means dah double tolak. Okay. So that's why dekat sini kita tulis 1,444 times 2. Sebab kita kena 2 kali tolak barulah 1,444 tu berada di sebelah kredit. So the total error is 2,888. Okay, now saya nak tengok. Is there any question for this error? Sekejap. Ada soalan daripada Irdina. Dia kata, Madam, kalau buat asing untuk notes receivable. Memang kita buat asing pun. Maksudnya kita, dekat statement tu tulis 1,450. So, awak kena asingkan. 4,000 is for notes receivable, 150 for interest. Memang you kena asingkan. Okay, so I want to ask you about the error 1,444. Okay, ada tak sesiapa yang tak faham lagi ke dah faham? Okay, so saya tak nampak ada soalan sini. Okay, so saya teruskan. So, saya assume faham. Jika ada soalan nanti, assistant saya yang 4 orang ni, sila beritahu. Okay, now we continue. Okay, so now, the total for less is 2,988. Now, the adjusted book balance is 98,876. Okay, this figure is same with the adjusted bank balance. Okay, so so far is there any question? Okay, tak ada. Okay, kalau tak ada, kita continue with another question. That is PSPM 2015-2016. Okay, this is for bank statement of Iskandariyah Berhad for the month of March 2015. Okay, so you follow the step 1 until step 5. Okay, so what I highlighted here is I have summarized, okay, the answer. Okay, so this highlighted must be put in bank reconciliation. Okay, now we look at the cash book. Okay. Okay. I also have highlighted a few items. Okay, that's mean yang I highlighted ni kita tak slash. Okay. When we compare, we don't slash it. Okay. So we highlighted. You circle. Okay. So the additional information is all the information recorded by the bank are correct. As usual lah, bank are correct. And the second additional information is the check of 1,500 deposited on 4th March 2015 wrongly decoded as 1,050 in the cash book. So maksudnya siapa yang salah? Yang salah is in the cash book. That is on 4th March, okay, 1,050. Actually, the check is 1,500. But in the cash book, it is wrongly typed as 1,050. Okay. So the third additional information is a cash received from Sabaria for the sum of 100 has been recorded as a payment in the cash book. Okay, mana Sabaria? Okay, on March 29. Okay, Sabaria dia letak dekat sebelah kredit as payment 100. Actually, 100 is received. So, ada dua error in this question. Okay, now we go one by one. Yeah. Okay, we look at the question. Okay, firstly, I write a title. Iskandariah Syamrahat Bank Reconciliation Statement as at 31st March 2015. Okay. Balance as per bank statement, look at the closing balance is 6,644. Okay. Add deposit in transit, that is Najib, 750, and less the outstanding check, that is Ben, 300. Okay, so the adjusted bank balance is 7,094. Okay, mana dapat figure Najib dengan Ben ni? Kita dapati dekat mana? In the cash book. Okay. Najib and Ben. Okay. Now, we have the adjusted bank balance is 7,094. Okay, now we look at the cash book. Okay, balance as per cash book is 6,207. Okay. Add credit transfer 542, interest 245. Okay, and then for less is checkbook charge is 5 ringgit, debit transfer 465, bank charges is 80. Okay, all these, okay, all this figure you get from the bank statement. Okay, this one I have highlighted. Okay, but we have two errors just now. That is on 4th March, Abu 1050. Okay, the real story is the check is 1,500. That is the correct amount. But in the cash book, we have written 1,050. That's mean apa? Kita telah terkurang catat. Kan, sepatutnya kita catat 1,500. But we catat 1,050. So that's mean kita telah terkurang catat sebanyak 450. So what you have to do is, bila terkurang catat, we have to add back. Okay. So kita add. Okay, kita add yang mana tadi? Ni Okay, kita add back 450. Yang ni kita add back. Okay, 450. Betul ke ni? Okay. Bukan kan? 150. 150 dengan 100 and tersilap. Dia punya ni tersilap. Jawapan betul. Okay, so 1,500 minus Dia punya jalan kerja yang salah. Okay. But the answer is correct. Okay. Just now apa kita kata? Kita terkurang catat. So we have to add back. Okay. So the answer is add the addition in the cash book bank reconciliation. Okay. The other error is Sabariah just now. Okay. What is the situation? Okay. A check received from Sabariah. Bila check receive mean we have to catat in the debit side. But dia catat at the credit side. Nampak tak? Okay. This one same situation with the previous question. Okay. So what you have to do is firstly, okay, ini kan dekat sebelah duit keluar. So firstly, you have to masuk balik 100 first time. So jadi kosong-kosong. And then you have to masuk another one 100. So barulah dia berada di sebelah debit. So that's mean ada 2 kali kena masukkan. Okay. So the calculation is, mana sabar ya. Okay. 100 times 2. Okay. So fahamkan yang ni? Actually 100 is at the debit side. Duit masuk. But dia letak dekat credit side duit keluar. So duit yang keluar tu you have to add back one time. Okay. Dia jadi kosong-kosong. And then you kena add lagi sekali. Baru ada pertambahan dekat debit. So that's why you kena kali dengan 2. Okay. So, the total addition is 1,437. So you add with the balance of cash book 6,207. So the total is 7,644. And then you minus, okay, this one, the checkbook charge, okay, the debit transfer, the bank charge is 550. Okay, so you get the adjusted cash book balance is 7,094. So the adjusted cash book balance must be same with adjusted bank balance. Okay, so far is there any question? No, madam. Boleh, madam. Okay. Okay. So yang lain-lain ada boleh ke? Ya, kalau kes Aida, Izatul dengan Imran nak tanya pun boleh. Ya. Okay. Kalau tak ada, if there is no other question. Okay. So I proceed with the last question. Okay, that is PSPM 2016 and 2017. Okay. So this is perniagaan seroja. So cash record for perniagaan seroja as at August 2016. Okay, dia bagi T account for bank accounts. Okay, where the balance brought forward is 7,411. Okay, dia terus summarize the receipt, maksudnya the penerimaan is 13,456 and the payment is 12,530 and then dia imbangkan left and right 20,867 and then dapat balance carry forward is 8,354. Okay, first dia bagi account T for bank accounts. And then dia bagi the cash receipt journal, bank column only. Okay, so this is the details. Okay, if you calculate, the total is 13,456. Okay, 13,456 is same with the receipt in the bank account. Okay, and then dia bagi the cash payment journal, bank column, okay, the details. So if you calculate, the total amount is 12,513. Okay, sama dengan okay, total payment dekat bank account, dekat account T, bank accounts. Okay. So actually sama je soalan dia dengan previous year, cuma dia asingkan the cash receipt and cash payment journal. Okay. So dekat sini saya pun dah buat summarize, ya. Yeah? Okay, I have done the step 1 until step 5. Okay, dah slash apa yang sama, and then yang tak slash is this one. Okay. This is for the cash book. Okay. And then of course lah dia kena bagi bank statement for August 2016. Okay, so saya pun dah buat slash, saya pun dah buat comparison, and the one that have been highlighted is the one that have not been slash. Okay, so now tengok dulu. Okay, additional information. All the information from the bank statement were recorded correctly. Okay, so jika ada perbezaan amount, so kita kena ambil dekat bank statement punya amount because the bank statement were recorded correctly. Okay, the second additional information is check number 410119 issued for Fatima Enterprise has been recorded in the wrong journal. Okay, so kita tengok check number 410119. Okay, dekat bank statement kita dah jumpa dah ni. Okay, at 15 August. Okay, 410119. Okay, the amount is 715. Dekat mana? Dekat debit side. That's mean ini adalah duit keluar. So that's mean dekat bank statement is betul. Okay, adalah duit keluar 715. So kita tengok dekat cash book, dia 715 tadi, the check tadi is, tengok dekat cash receipt, dia buat dekat duit masuk. So yang sini yang salah, sepatutnya dia kena buat dekat cash payment. Okay, so ni ada satu kesilapan. So what you have to do is, okay, ini duit masuk, awak kena keluarkan dia dulu. Means tolak satu kali 715 and then awak kena masukkan dia dekat bahagian payment, cash payment. Maksudnya awak kena tolak lagi sekali 715. So kena dua kali tolak. Okay, and then bila kita buat, kita dapati satu lagi ada error. That is on the check number 410120. That is in the cash payment journal stated 2,130. But in the bank statement, okay, is actually 2,310. Okay, which is correct? The correct is in the bank statement, 2,310. Okay, dekat sini kita tulis 2130. Okay, so macam mana? Terkurang bayar ke terlebih bayar? Okay, kita repeat. Okay, the correct answer is 2310. Tapi kita dah bayar 2130. Maksudnya kita terkurang bayar. Betul tak? Kita terkurang bayar untuk purchase. Actually 2310 tapi kita bayar kurang. Kita salah catat 2,130. Okay. So, bila kita dah terkurang catat, kita kena tambah. Okay. Kita terkurang tolak. Sebab ini dekat bahagian bayaran. Okay, sekarang ni kita terkurang tolak. actually kita kena tolak berapa tadi? 2,310. Tapi kita just tolak 2,130. So maksudnya kita terkurang tolak. Bila kita terkurang tolak, kita kena tolak lagi. Okay, the difference. Okay. Now, kita tengok dekat bank reconciliation. Required, prepare a bank reconciliation for perniagaan Seroja as at 31st August 2016. Okay, ada 8 markah dekat sini. Okay, firstly, buat tajuk. Perniagaan Seroja Bank Reconciliation Statement as at 31st August 2016. Okay, kita start dengan balance as per bank statement. Okay, this one you can get from the bank statement 8,651. And then plus or add deposit in transit. Check number 112113 is 2060. And check number 240615 is 637. So the total deposit in transit is 2,697. Okay. Okay, and then minus outstanding check or unpresented check. Okay, there are 4 checks that is outstanding check. Okay, mana kita nak tengok ni is at the cash book. Okay, cuba kita tengok dekat cash book balik. Okay. Okay, ada 4 check. 732, 1512, 215 and 2400. Kan? Okay. Yang ni kita dah catat tadi dekat bahagian plus. Kan? Okay, this is deposit in transit. Okay, this is the outstanding check. Okay. Now, we continue to calculate. So, the total outstanding check is 4,859. So, the adjusted bank balance is 6,489. Okay. Now, we go to the next session. Okay. Balance as per cash book. Mana balance as per cash book dia? Okay. So, kita tengok dekat cash book. Berapa tadi? Dekat accounting. Okay. This is the balance. 8354. Okay. Kita masukkan dekat sini 8354. Okay. So, plus dengan rental revenue 1,200, accounts receivable 1,715 and dividend revenue 200. Where did you get this figure? Is at the bank statement. Okay, ni duit masuk kan? Okay, at bank statement at the credit side. This one. Ada 3 kan? Alright. Okay. So, minus. Okay. Error. Just now we have discussed the error. Okay. Which kita terkurang tolak. Okay. Bila kita terkurang tolak, so kita kena tolak lagi. That's why we put in the minus or in the less for error purchases 180. Okay, and then the non-sufficient fund ataupun cek tak laku, cek tendang for Sherry Enterprise. Also we have to minus 3,100. And then there are another error that is account payable. We have just discussed just now. Okay, 715 times 2. Sebab dia tersalah kolom. Duit tolak jadi masuk, dia masuk jadi tolak. So you have to times 2 kali 2. Okay, so the amount is 1,430. Okay, another item is insurance, 250, and also the bank charges 20. So where did you get this item? You get this item in the bank statement. Okay, bank statement at the debit side. Okay, yang ni. Okay, yang banyak-banyak ni at the debit side. Okay. Okay, now we continue calculating. So the total minus is 4,980. So the adjusted book balance is 6,489. So the total amount of adjusted book balance is same with adjusted bank balance. Okay. Now finish Roman 1 question. Now we go to second Roman question. Okay, the second Roman question is prepare adjusting journal on 31st August 2016. So if we talking about journal, so we take the cash book item only. Okay. So for for plus item, that's mean we debit bank. Okay. And for minus item, we have to credit bank. So for plus item, there are 3 items. And for minus item, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Okay. So that's mean you have to do journal amounting 8 items. Okay, now we go for journal entry. Okay. Okay, so in journal entry, you have to write the correct accounts. Okay, so on August 31st, debit bank 1,200 and credit rental revenue 1,200, narration to record rental revenue. And another one is debit bank credit accounts receivable 1,715. Narration to record cash receipt from debtors. And another one is debit bank credit dividend revenue. Okay, you have to write the revenue here. Okay, 200. So narration to record dividend revenue. Okay, this is the debit part. Okay, for the credit part, that is less just now. Okay, so debit purchase credit bank 180. So you have to write purchase. Okay, you cannot write error. If you debit error, so your adjusting entries is wrong. Okay, so debit purchase credit bank 180. Narration to record purchases. Okay, another journal is debit accounts receivable Cherry Enterprise credit bank 3,100. If you write debit non-sufficient fund, so that is wrong. Okay, you have to write whether it is the account receivable or accounts payable. You cannot write debit non-sufficient fund. Okay, jelas eh? Okay, another journal is debit accounts payable Fatima Enterprise and credit bank. Okay, narration to record error. Narration tak kisah. Kita boleh tulis apa-apa. But you cannot write debit error. Okay, so because of this one, Fatima Enterprise 1,430. Okay, another journal is debit insurance expenses 250 and credit bank. Okay, insurance, whether insurance prepaid or insurance expenses, it depends on the question. Okay, so for insurance, Okay, you can write whether it is insurance expenses or prepaid insurance. Okay, depends on the questions. And credit bank to record insurance expenses ataupun to record prepaid expenses. Prepaid insurance. Okay. Prepaid is only for insurance, for certain case only. So the amount is 250. Okay, and the last journal is debit bank charge expenses credit bank. So I advise you to write expenses at the back. Okay, even though bank charges is already known that is the expenses, but I advise you to still write the expenses at the back. So debit bank charges expenses 20 and credit bank 20. So to record bank charges. Okay, so ada berapa journal? Ada 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, complete. Okay, so I think tu saja. Yeah, we have discussed PSPM question for 2013-14, 2014-15, 2015-16, 2016-17. Okay. Tu maksudnya apa? Every year ada soalan bank reconciliation. Yeah. Okay. So is there any question so far? Okay. Tak ada soalan so far Okay, berapa student kita ni? 14 is watching now. Kita ada 19. Maksudnya ada berapa orang? 5 orang contact. So, assistant semua dah ambil attendance tadi? Okay. Okay, so last question. Is there any question? Okay. Untuk PSPM, normally bank reconciliation ada soalan So, bank reconciliation ni senang nak score. So, I hope that you can do perfectly. If you do perfectly and then you get full mark for these questions. Okay. This question is about 15 marks. Okay. So, kita dah ada 15 marks. Because bank reconciliation ni tak susah. Okay. Easy for you. Bila dia punya adjusted balance tu sama, bank and also cash, so normally 99% is correct. Your answer is correct. Okay, so kita tahu yang kita buat ni betul ataupun tidak. Okay, so I hope that if bank reconciliation ni masuk PSPM, sama ada markah banyak ke sikit, I hope that you can score full marks. Okay, is there any question? Okay, so far tak ada. So far tak ada Okay, so kalau tak ada, tak gambar jap. Okay, semua ready Yang dekat ni Kis, Aida, Imran, Ifah, okay. Tak gambar jap bukti. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, if there is no other question, Pak Ish kata tak ada, no question. Okay, if there is no further question, so I think we stop here. Okay, kita akhiri dengan tasbih kafarah dan surah Al-As. So I invite Encik Imran to recite the doa. Okay, Imran?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dengar
Dengar.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa asyhadu anna la ilaha illa anta. Astagfirullahaladzim. Semula ya, madam. Salah baca.
Okey, okey.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wasallam. Wal as innal insana lafi khusr innal ladzina amanu wa amilus solihat wa tawassaw bil haqq wa tawassaw bis sabr. Sadaqallahul azim.
Okey, amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Okey. Sekejap saya nak ambil gambar lagi sekali. Okey, dekat konti ni saya nak ambil gambar lagi sekali. So kita bye-bye. Okey. Okey, bye-bye semua. Okey, 1, 2, 3. Okey. So if there is no other question, okay, Afi kata thank you madam, okay, you're welcome. So kita akhiri kita punya kelas today, okay? Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you semua assistant saya.
Welcome.
Okay.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay.